What's going on, Bam fam? You can see I am out in the middle of nowhere. How did I get out here, you ask? Very carefully. Let's do a burnout. Oh yeah. Get some! Rolling burnout, baby! Woo! Yes! Bam, bam. Love it. Alright. Here we go. Back up the hill. Oh yeah, this is a good time. Yeah, I decided I was going to go on a little adventure today. Get out to the countryside, clear my head, and I'm glad I did. This has been awesome. We got a giant chasm down there. Funny thing was, I passed a guy on, or actually, after I got to the point where I was stopped. I got there, and I'm just kind of sitting there, and this random dude drives by in a F-150. Oh, yep, maxed out my front shock on that one, and was just staring at me like I was so out of place. It was funny, which I am. I mean, I'm on a motorcycle. It's meant for the street. Oh, another bump. Yeah. But this is so fun. I'm really enjoying this whole being on a dirt road thing, on something that you're not supposed to be on a dirt road on. This is so fun. I think I got maybe like half a mile left on this dirt road. I just buried my back tire, as you can see. Yes, I know, my freaking light is on. My bike keeps telling me it's losing connection with the right-hand control module. So, don't know what that's about, but the bike's about to go in for its 10K service, so should get fixed. Somewhere in Mexico. Such a beautiful bike. Oh hey, they have the Christmas lights up. That's good. Completely abandoned house. Christmas lights.
Early the next morning.
What's going on, Bam fam? Today is the day that I drop off my bike at the Harley-Davidson dealership. Caffeine. So, remember my last video when I told you that I took full advantage of a sale on Fuel Moto? I have a mystery box down there. Cannot wait to get everything done. I will be out of town for the next 2 weeks, so my bike is going to get its 10K service and maybe something else installed. But I'm not ready to reveal that yet. It's obviously going to be hours and weeks for me, but it's only going to be like that for you. I'm unfortunately not going to have access to my bike, but I will go do like some test rides and whatnot while I'm down in Alabama. All right, here she is, dropped off at the old service department, ready to go in for her 10K checkup. You can see the box sitting on the top there. Let's go check in. Look at this. Look at all these bikes they have here waiting just for you. Yeah. So, come see Dan. I'll put his info in the in the little in the comment section below, or
somebody buy a Lowrider S.
Dude, for real. Look at this. Lowrider S. You don't like silver? That's cool. We have options. What? They have built out custom painted Lowrider S's. What? Look at this. You already got the bars. You already got everything you need to take this bad boy home. Integrated turn signals on your tail light. Blacked out, smoked out, gauge relocation kit, tank bib gone. I'm just saying, already built, ready to go. So, Nick, what are we doing today?
What aren't we doing is the question.
Ooh, fair.